So last night, after you went to bed,
What?
Daddy and I were really excited about your Halloween candy,
What?
and we ate it all.
I didn't.
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
And Grandma and Grandpa too, because they were here. Yeah, I'm really sorry, Everett. I'm really sorry.
Oh, no, you didn't. No, you didn't.
All that's left is a bag of M&Ms. I'm sorry, bud. Will you forgive me?
Let me see.
You want to see?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, Daddy must have eaten them this morning. I'm really sorry.
Why they were eating all of them?
Because they were really yummy.
I didn't want anyone to eat them. I was gonna eat.
I'm sorry. Will you forgive me?
I can't, but I wanted.
Hey, Everett. I'm just joking.
What?
I'm just joking.
What are they? What are they?
Oh.
In there?
Yeah.
You're joking!
That's all yours, bud. Nobody touched it. Not right now.
I want one.
After that, I suppose you deserve one, right?